I'm Arlo. Do you know that your mind is the most powerful thing you will ever own? Today,
Your mind is like a factory. Whatever thoughts you put inside, your life produces on the outside.
Think of your thoughts as seeds. Positive seeds grow beautiful flowers. Negative thoughts? They grow weeds. What you water grows. Belief is the mountain inside you. When you say, I can do it, the mountain becomes smaller. When you say, I can't, it grows taller. This mirror shows how you see yourself. If you think you're weak, it shows weakness. If you think you're strong, it shows strength. Sometimes your mind whispers, you're not good enough. But that voice isn't you. It's just fear wearing a mask.
You can choose what your mind focuses on. When you switch from problems to solutions, suddenly everything becomes clearer.
The words you say shape the world you live in. Speak with strength. Speak with belief. Speak like the hero of your story.